Hello, and welcome back to our Blender tutorial series. In today's video, we have something special for you. We'll be using the Linkem add-on to create a captivating 3D scene using assets we've collected from BlenderMarket and other sources. To start, I've gathered some incredible assets, including a 3D scene from a .blend file I found online, and some amazing free models from BlenderMarket. We'll be putting these assets to good use. The first step is to install the Linkem add-on. To do this, open Blender and navigate to the Preferences window. Click on the Add-ons tab on the left. Next, click the Install button. Locate the linkem.py file on your computer, which you should have downloaded. Select it and click Install Add-on. Now, you'll see the Linkem add-on listed. Simply enable it by checking the box next to its name. Close the Preferences window and you're all set. First, we'll import the 3D scene from the .blend file we downloaded. To do this, we'll use Linkem's Scene Preview panel. Let's get started. Here, we select the .blend file, and it displays the available scenes. We choose the one we want and click Spawn Scene. And just like that, we've brought our scene to life. Now, let's expand our scene. We'll use Linkem's Object Preview panel to import more assets: a house, some jars, barrels, and a book. These assets seamlessly fit into our scene, making it more visually appealing. To add that extra touch, we'll change the book cover's material. It's a breeze with Linkem's Material Preview panel. Look at the various materials we have here. We select the one we like, and voila! Finally, let's render the entire scene to see the magic we've created. And there you have it, a beautifully rendered 3D scene, all thanks to the Linkem add-on. That's a wrap for today's tutorial on using the Linkem add-on in Blender. We've seen how it can make importing scenes, objects, and materials a breeze. So, go ahead, experiment with it, and create your own fantastic 3D worlds. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting Blender tutorials. See you next time.